Imagine if minutes from now you could paste one affiliate link into a box and have a complete, fully hosted and monetized affiliate website already pulling traffic from 400 plus sources while you close your laptop and walk away. No domain to buy or hosting to configure. No WordPress to install. Everything is included. 1. Done for you content. 2. Designer, logos, graphics, images. 3. Unlimited free traffic. All you have to do, just paste your link. That is the entire job. Copy it, paste it, done. Now you've probably heard about AI affiliate site builders before. You've probably heard about traffic software before. You've probably heard about lifetime hosting before. But trust me when I say it, you've never seen all three welded together into one machine like this one, ever. That's for 2 reasons. Reason number 1, this runs on real infrastructure, not somebody's rented API key. We've been hosting affiliate websites for over 50,000 customers for the past 10 years. We're still in business today, hosting hundreds of thousands of websites, a full decade later. Those sites get traffic daily and pay our customers commissions like clockwork. We're here to stay, and your sites are safe with us. That's right. Next generation affiliate sites with built-in hosting that beats anything else on the market, your own domain, your own cPanel access, and none of the ridiculous monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. And here's where SiteFlow separates itself from every Amazon site builder you've ever been pitched. Because SiteFlow doesn't just do Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Launchpad, plus 94 additional networks. Think about what that actually means for you. Every offer you already promote, every network you already have an account with. SiteFlow builds a complete site around it. Physical products, digital products, software launches, recurring subscriptions. You're not stuck begging for 4% Amazon commissions anymore. Point it at a 75% ClickBank offer and it builds the site for that instead. One keyword in, one complete affiliate business out. Reason number 2, the traffic problem is solved inside the same box. This is where every other tool leaves you standing in the rain. They build you a gorgeous site and then silence. No visitors. A perfect storefront in the middle of a desert. Not here. SiteFlow pushes your site out to 400 plus unique traffic sources, automatically, daily, in any niche, without you writing a single word or spending a single cent on ads. The AI finds which of those 400 plus sources actually match your offer, then blasts your site to all of them at once. Red hot buyer traffic globally on full autopilot, and it's all powered by the 2 most advanced AI models on the planet right now, ChatGPT 5.6 Soul and Claude Opus 5, built directly into your dashboard. Here's everything they handle for you the second you hit go. Build a complete affiliate website from a single keyword. Register your domain and set up your hosting, cPanel included. Design the site, generate your logo, create every graphic and image. Write fresh, original, search-optimized content every day. Auto-insert your affiliate link across the entire site. Connect to 100 plus affiliate networks, including Amazon, ClickBank, eBay, Launchpad, and 96 more. Monetize daily, offer placement, calls to action, all automatic. Distribute to 400 plus traffic sources on autopilot. Keep you 100% compliant out of the box, GDPR ADA. Update itself 24/7 with new content and new products every hour. Setting up a website the old school way is difficult, time-consuming, and let's be honest, frustrating. Domain, hosting, WordPress, theme, plugins, logo, images, content, SEO. Then months of praying for traffic that may never arrive. Most people quit somewhere around week 3. SiteFlow collapses every bit of that into 60 seconds and one pasted link. 3 steps. Step 1, paste your affiliate link. Step 2, watch SiteFlow build it, host it, fill it with products and content, and promote it for you. There is no step 3. That means not getting SiteFlow today means you'd be making a massive disservice to yourself. Don't let this one slip past you. 3-in-1 affiliate site builder, hosting and traffic has never been done before. All fully powered by the latest AIS, Claude Opus 5, and ChatGPT 5.6 Sol. This is your opportunity. Click the buy button below to get started. Welcome to the future. Welcome to SiteFlow.